In this episode 13, we want to talk about the dispensations of angels. The dispensation or administration of angels was before the days of Adam. You will still come across this in future because it involves the rulership of the earth and the other planets in heaven. Remember that God speaks of some invisible things in the heavenly worlds as being as real and understandable as the visible things on earth. This you can see in the book of Colossians 1:15-18. In fact, it states that these invisible things of creation of the world are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even in his eternal power of Godhead, so that they are without excuse. Romans 1:19-23. Let me add this here italically. That means there is no excuse for being ignorant of heavenly things. And let me tell you here, those that are claiming to have gone to heaven and came back to tell you rubbish, from reading along with us, you will begin to discover that they are liars. He further speaks about the heavenly bodies as being as real as the earthly bodies. There are also celestial bodies and the bodies terrestrial. Here, I'm not talking about celestial church or terrestrial churches. There are terrestrial bodies that does not have to be worshipped on this earth. Please get that understood. There is a natural body and there is a spiritual body. As they are earthy, such are they that are earthy. And as in heavenly, such are they also as heavenly. Erase it from your mind now that heaven is an invisible nothing or merely a cloud that redeemed will float on the space and play a harp for all eternity. The heaven in which God dwells is a real planet, a better country than the planet Earth. Go and read Hebrew 11:14-16. Heaven is a real place created with cities, mansions, food, water, trees, and many other things that we can see in this visible world. Lucifer is spoken of as having a throne, you remember. Isaiah 14:12-14. Ezekiel 28:11-17. And the other thrones are mentioned in Colossians 1:16-18 as being in the heavens. These are evidently thrones of other angels. So there is such a doctrine as dispensations of angels taught in scriptures. Here, I'm not promoting worshiping of angels. If you are among the churches that are still calling Jehovah, Jesus, and Michael, you are in the wrong. Read the Bible and change. Michael has nothing to do different from the instruction that he might have gotten from God. So when we are talking about dispensation, we are not talking about worshiping angels. But there are times prophets were not many. It was the angel of God that are giving messages and the rest. So I'm not promoting the worshiping of angel here. If you are mentioning angel like Agora, angel Michael, angel Raphael, angel Uriel, you are not of Jesus. So please try to understand what we are saying here. May God open your eyes as you learn more from what we are teaching here. No angel will tell you to go and bathe in the river. No angel will tell you to divorce your wife. No angel will say that you should be having sex, or you girls that are falling prey into the hands of all these evil prophets or pastors that are claiming it was the Spirit of God that told them to have sex with you. It's a lie. Be wise, you girls. Be wise. Don't let any man influence you with either money or the charm, because they are not using ordinary hand. So we are not promoting angel here. We are only telling you there are some dispensations of dispensation. You will see dispensation of men. God bless you.